Good morning, good morning! I am in such a good mood because I'm leaving the house today, twice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a brand new weekend in my life vlog. This is gonna be a fun weekend because one, it's Valentine's Day weekend, and two, it's President's Day weekend. So we have just like one or two fun things happening, which is honestly just great news. So today is Friday. I woke up this morning and I did a Peloton ride. It was funny because the two friends of mine that I always ride with in the morning, virtually of course, both didn't ride this morning for various reasons, and I was like, oh, well, I could just not go then. But then I was like, no, I could be accountable to just myself. It was really telling how much their accountability helps me, because it's just like when I know we're all riding, I just wake up and I don't even question it. I just like get up, get ready, start doing it. Whereas when you think about it, then that's when it's easier to be like, oh, I don't want to, I want to stay in my bed, which I did start a little late. So I will say that, you know, I didn't start quite at 7:30, but whatever. And then I started a loaf of sourdough bread and I made breakfast, and I showered and got ready. I did like a full get ready. I realized I can do all my hair and makeup fully in less than 30 minutes. So I think that's pretty good. I think if I included my time of my shower, I could probably get totally ready to go, shower and like getting clothes on in 45 minutes. I'd like that to be even faster, but I did like real makeup today. I feel like I actually put in like a smidge more time than I usually do. So today, Emily and I have a shoot this afternoon with a really awesome client for Sister Social. If you're not familiar, I run a separate business. I have like 2/3 businesses right now. The first one is my wedding videography business. My second one is Sister Social, which is what I run with my sister. She is a photographer, I'm a videographer, and we shoot businesses and brands together. And it's honestly one of my favorite things because, I don't know, we just get to work with so many cool people. We were actually talking yesterday about kind of like relaunching. We want to kind of like refresh everything. We launched, I think, almost 2 full years ago, which is really crazy. And I think she said she counted and we have had over 35 clients, which feels kind of crazy, but it's been a really crazy, fun ride. And then sort of third is my sort of like social media, YouTube, things like that, more like my own personal brand, which kind of supports both of the other brands, but is definitely like a third piece of what I'm doing. And I try to just fit those all in during the week. And that's why organization is so important to me. So we're doing that today. And then tonight, I'm so excited. Max and I are going on a date to a restaurant. We have been, since we got married, I don't know if we've been on like an actual, I can think of one time that we've been on like a date in a restaurant in an entire year, almost a whole year. So I'm so pumped. We're going to a restaurant in Frederick called Wine Kitchen, and it's one of our favorites. We've been there just a few times, but we're so excited. We were thinking we'd go for Valentine's Day, but they were totally booked up Saturday and Sunday. So we're going Friday, and honestly, I'm fine with it. I don't care. I just want to go somewhere. And then we'll probably end up doing something different the next few nights. But I have like an hour and a half-ish before Emily is picking me up to go to the shoot. I already have my camera bag all packed. I'm gonna make sure I have everything. I'm gonna quickly get some work done. I have a few emails to get back to. And then I have some bookkeeping to do. And then I need to eat some lunch. And then we'll be ready to go. I'm also drinking, I made some at-home cold brew yesterday, and it's really good. It's very smooth. All right, I got almost all my bookkeeping stuff done, but now I am about to leave to head out for our shoot. I'm going to quickly fold my sourdough. Thanks. Oh yeah. Oh. Lunch of. Oh, they probably won't take this back. They don't. They don't take it back. Okay. You keep it and it stays in the back of your car until Pat kicks it out. That's how it works. Guys, I'm shooting a vlog this weekend. Okay. Oh, awesome. Emily, wave. Hi. Okay,
kind of 45 your hips towards the window.
Okay.
And then just turn your shoulders back towards me a tiny bit. Yes, perfect. Oh my gosh.
We did it!
Yay. We're done.
We're done.
I'm tired, but that was awesome.
I'm really tired too, but that was so fun. It's nice that it was a Friday afternoon. I feel like now I'm like,
Yeah, it
it's
feels
the
like we
weekend.
earned this weekend.
Exactly. Instead of our days, I feel like often working from home means your days just kind of like meld into the evenings.
Yep.
Whereas when you actually leave the house and get to come home, you're like, oh my God, I am home for the weekend.
I actually did something productive.
Even though we're home for the weekend every
day.
all the
day.
time.
Every day can be a weekend.
Every day is a
If
weekend.
you believe in yourself.
So I got home from my shoot, Emily dropped me off, and then I just sat down for a few minutes, and then I changed my clothes because Max and I are going out to dinner, and I'm so excited. I'm wearing this grayish tan like leather jacket, a white tank top from Target, these black skinny jeans from Good American, and then this leopard print belt also from Target, and then these leopard print flats that I love and wore all the time last winter, but have worn probably 3 times this winter. I just put a lipstick on. I love these lipsticks. This is the Maybelline Superstay lipstick in Accept a Cake 60. But I like it. It's kind of like a pinky red. I don't know. But it felt like it's Valentine's Day-ish. It's Valentine's 2 days early, so I needed some red lipstick. Because it said there was like outdoor options.
I wanted to try the water. It's cold.
Good morning, you guys. Last night was so fun. It was so nice to go out and actually have someone cook us food. And honestly, this was so silly, but I recognized it as soon as it happened. I was like, the food is so hot. Because when you get takeout, by the time it gets home, it's not that hot, which honestly, I'm not that picky about normally, but it was just really nice. Today is just kind of a boring Saturday, I think. We don't really have much on our schedule. We've been up, we ate bagels. Max made a bagel sandwich for breakfast for us. And I have coffee downstairs, and I actually started the oven so that I can bake my new loaf of sourdough bread. It's gonna be a big loaf because I didn't split it this time, so we'll see how that goes. But while the oven continues to heat up, I'm going to I was like, I just need to start somewhere. So I'm gonna start in our bedroom.
Sunrise in West Virginia, sleep talking on the front porch, lying barefoot to a creek.
Oh. All right, that's pretty good.
We had to hide it from the fishermen.
Okay, hopefully that's pretty.
Two French maids made believing, like my own sister. Our souls weave together. Heated bracelets out on
Oh my God. I finally got the Go Clean Go cleaning handbook because I just needed to have it. So I just printed it out because Max doesn't know, but this is gonna become his new Bible. And we're gonna clean the whole house with this. Okay, I'm starting on what is arguably the worst task in the kitchen, which is cleaning the fridge. But I did this a few months ago. It's probably been longer than I remember, but it was so nice when it was clean. So first thing I do is, this is what it starts out looking like. I already took out all our fruit and vegetables, but first thing I'm gonna do is clean out, get everything out of the fridge, and then I'll pull like the drawers and stuff out. Can someone tell me why we have not 1, not 2, but 3 barbecue sauces started? I think 2 of these are like the same flavor. Okay, so the recipe that Go Clean Co. recommends for your fridge is hot water, Tide, and some bleach. This water will be so gross by the end of this. And you basically just go to town on all the grime and grossness. Sometimes I take the shelves all the way out, but I'm gonna see if I can avoid that because I don't really feel like it. It's a lot of work. All right, time for a little lunch break. I'm eating this salad kit I got from Giant and it looks so good. I actually already tasted it and it's really good. Now I'm gonna go through all these condiments and cheese and drinks and whatever and make sure everything looks good and we'll actually eat it. I think I'm also gonna rinse all our fruit because I have some new stuff over there. I'm gonna like fill the sink up and wash all the fruit off so that it's ready to be eaten. All right, here it is. Not perfect, but so much cleaner.
Both of us 8 years old. Clawfoots are brand only cold.
Unsurprisingly, we are changing our dinner plans because my dad called and said, do you want to come over for pizza? So naturally we do. He also asked me if I could make some pizza dough.
In the middle of the night, we found bats in the loft with our flashlights. We were together, that made it alright. Like my own sister, our souls we together. Beaded bracelets I won't forget. Friends forever, like my own sister. Our souls weave together. Beaded bracelets.
Okay, I just got out of the bath and I just put some comfy clothes on. I'm wearing sweatpants, a tank top, and this fuzzy jacket that I wear all the time. And actually now I'm thinking about it, should I just wear a sweatshirt? I mean, these are the hard decisions when you're going to your parents' house on a Saturday night. Oh, I'm hearing the dough is ready, so we can go. I just grabbed the whole thing out of the bread machine. Just put some saran wrap, just in my little purse, going to my parents' house. Oh God.
I won't forget. Friends forever.
A nice snuggle muffin. Good morning, you guys. So it's Sunday morning and on Friday before our shoot, I left my office in a complete mess because I was doing some filing and stuff and paperwork and I didn't finish it quite, but it's almost done. So I'm gonna just sit down this morning and finish it up. And then I think I'm gonna get ready and I might do a workout or something. Our driveway is a sheet of ice, so I really would like to go for a walk, but I don't think that's a good idea. Yeah, that's the plan for this morning. And then I'm gonna make chocolate covered strawberries because I have strawberries. And it just feels like a Valentine's-y thing to do. Okay, so I've had an outfit change. My dad stopped by because he brought me a Valentine and these chocolates. Isn't he so sweet? Honestly, this is funny. My dad has never, I don't think my dad has ever given me a Valentine. Funny to me that the first year my dad gets me and maybe he has before, but I don't really remember it. The first year in a long time my dad gets me a Valentine and it's the first year I'm married. Which is funny because Max did not get me a Valentine, which is okay because we got our gas stove and so that was part of that's our Valentine's gift to each other, which is a very pricey Valentine's Day gift. So anyway, I got my bookkeeping stuff done. I got some work stuff done, got some emails responded to, and then I also just sent out some info/invitations for my best friend's bachelorette party. So that's really fun. I'm really excited about that. Did some like planning for that. I think I'm gonna go for a walk and I remembered that Max got me this sweatshirt from Costco. It's like a super fuzzy sweatshirt. It's a little bit short on me. I mean, I'm tall, so that's part of it. So I haven't worn it yet, but I decided to wear it today. But it literally looks like I'm like a teddy bear for Halloween or something. I just got off the phone with Allison because I talked to her for literally 2 hours and 15 minutes. I'm getting bundled up.
Road is the same. Both of us went our
Okay, I'm out of the bath. I washed my face, put on some serums and lotion and put on some comfy clothes. Our chicken is almost done.
So I was just saying it's nice to see you.
Our hearts have never changed. We got our cabin days.
Good morning, you guys. So this morning we got up and we had kind of a slow start to the morning. Then we decided we wanted to go to Lowe's and Michael's.
Like my own sister, our souls weave together.
Now we're home and I am making mashed potatoes for dinner. My parents are gonna come over for dinner. My mom's gonna come over and do this painting class with me, which I'm really excited about. I'll share the link of the one we pick. But it's by C. Brookering, I think is how you say her name. She's an artist and she has these like $15 paint classes. So we're gonna do that.
Bracelets I won't forget.
Okay, I got these at Lowe's because I think they might be fun to try. They're peony bulbs. I also got this palm because I've been wanting a palm for this corner because I just think they're so cool and fun looking. And honestly, this room, I had like a dream of this room having plants like each side. Like I thought that's like what I've always imagined this room having. So I think this is like more on the right track because it's taller and bigger. I hope it's gets enough sun here. And then from Michael's, I got this set of 12 by 12 canvases and this set of basic acrylics. And then I got sort of nicer brushes than you can just get in like the little sets. So I hope that these are sort of helpful.
Friends forever, like my own sisters. Our souls weave together.
She won't believe it. I think yours looks so good.
Thank you.
Look at that. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will be back with a new vlog very soon. Bye. Love you.